How to enable 5G on Android phones that support it. This tutorial shows you how to turn on 5G and get faster speeds if your device and plan allow it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Connections. After that, tap Mobile Networks. At this point, tap Network Mode. Following this, you'll see a list of options like LTE and 5G Preferred. From here, tap 5G Preferred to prioritize a 5G connection whenever it's available in your area. If 5G doesn't show up as an option at all, your device or carrier plan likely doesn't support it, so double-check with your carrier to confirm 5G is included and active on your account. Following this, restart your device by pressing and holding the power button until the power menu appears and tapping Restart, since this helps your phone properly pick up the new network setting. From here, once it boots back up, check the status bar at the top of your screen for a 5G icon to confirm it's connected. That's how you enable 5G on Android phones that support it. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.